So I'm still here at Moose Brook State Park. I'm getting ready to make some dinner now. Kind of a late dinner again because I was off hiking so much today. What time is it now? It is 7 o'clock, so a little on the late side tonight. So I'll be washing the dishes by electric light again tonight. But oh well, it is what it is. So we're going to make some pork fried rice tonight. I know I haven't made this on the channel in a while here, so keep trying to get this recipe correct and everything. And don't mind my lack of proper cooking attire. It's just I've been hiking all day in the hot sun and I'm sticky and it feels good right now. And plus the wind is picking up, as you can probably hear, and making things feel a lot more comfortable. Yeah, I've got fire going and I'm hot and sticky, but the fire is nice and helps keep the mosquitoes away. So it does an important job. Alright, I'm going to start gathering up my ingredients. Put the spider off the food bin. Yeah, let's get dinner started. Okay, so this dinner's not going to be quite complete because apparently I am out of peas. I'm supposed to have peas and carrots in it, and all I have is carrots. So, not going to be quite complete, but we'll do the best we can with what we've got. It'll still taste good. Alright, so I got the recipe on my phone here, so that's why I keep looking down here, but let's see. So we gotta chop up some onion and pork. Alright. Board here. See that there? Yeah, you can see. A knife. Here we got the onion. And I've got some green pepper. They don't have peas. Maybe I'll substitute the pepper. It will change the taste a little. I don't know. Yeah, probably not. Nah. Not going to substitute that. We'll just do without the peas, that's all. I already pre-cooked some rice too. I made about 3/4 cup of rice. Okay, so I put a small amount of vegetable oil in this pan. Just heating that up. Put an egg in it. Get that all scrambled up. Alright. Now that the egg is cooked, I put it into a bowl over here. So that's ready to go. We got the onion. Chopped up, and then the pork that I also chopped up. Put that all into a pan together. Cooking that up. Hold on me. I had time to run out of butane. Luckily I had more butane in the van. It's my last can though, so I'm going to have to restock. There we go. Look at that, we have heat again. Trying to break up some of the onion pieces that are clumped together. I'm also going to add some of this Aso Chinese sauce. It adds a little extra flavor to the pork and that. Something to open. Of course. Making a mess. Yuck. Squirted everywhere. Over the bottle, all over me, all over the counter. Fine mess. Alright. Oh. I probably put too much in, but that's what I do. I'll give the stuff a few minutes to cook up. Alright, gonna add the rice into it. It would have been better if you start with cooked, refrigerated rice, cold rice. Day old rice, so that, but I didn't have that luxury, so I just cooked the rice up and put it in. I don't know if you're hearing those pops off in the distance there. I don't know if that's fireworks or somebody's got a gun range nearby here. Hey. This is the pot where we'd add both the peas and carrots, but all I have is carrots. I goofed and didn't check my supplies before I left. Well, I'm just gonna have carrots. No big deal. Won't be as good a dinner, but it'll still be a good dinner. I'll still have plenty of food here. Okay, soy sauce. I have to restock my soy sauce soon too. Okay. Just put about a tablespoon of soy sauce in. I like to put a little extra anyway. Throw in a little bit of garlic. It's tough to do considering this is wet somewhere along the line, and this is where you gotta be very careful. Just a touch of ginger. All it takes. Mix the egg back in. Shut the heat off. I think it's done. Oh no. Toasted sesame oil. Yeah, let's put in. Just a little bit. Don't need a lot. There we go. Stir that in. Get myself some pork fried rice here. Got some Coke. It's probably flat. No, it's not flat. Okay, good. Like that. There we go. A bottle I can bring home. Some duck sauce. Alright, let's see how this came out. Not bad. Yeah, definitely give this one a thumbs up. This is good. Very good. All right. The only thing that's missing is the peas. Yeah, I think I'm happy with the results here. I'm gonna have my dinner here. I'm watching more YouTube. I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. So I've got several different weather forecasting sites telling me that we've got a good thunderstorm coming in less than an hour. So I finished my dinner. I guess we got to get those dishes washed, and we may end up finishing this video in the van tonight. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Yep, the thunderstorm has arrived, and so I'm in the van. Thundered pretty good for a bit now. It's just been kind of a little light rain on and off here tonight. So I came in here, sat down, watched a little YouTube, listened to the thunderstorm roll by. I did run out and put some stakes into the canopy out there just because, well, thunderstorms can carry a bit of wind and I didn't want to lose my canopy, so I took care of that. And otherwise, yeah, just relaxing here. Trying to think of what I need to do to clean this van up so we can take off tomorrow. Alright, since I never really needed the insulation or the privacy, I never bothered putting up the front wall blanket that I've been doing. But I gotta say, I'm loving having this fridge up here. I like the spot for it. So, this is definitely where it's gonna stay. The chair is officially gone. I'm sorry, there isn't much in the way of light up on the front of the van here. So the camera's not seeing too well here, but having the fridge here, it's easy to access it from both in and out of the van. So it's just right there. I can get into it from outside, into it from inside. Gotta figure out what to do with all this stuff here. The extra blankets that were on my bed were just tossed in the front seat. This is just a bag of recycling I need to drop off. Things like that. This general mess. Kind of use the front as a storage area. So I definitely got to work on some of these space limitations in this van here. Because I just pile stuff everywhere. That's because there's no place to put any of it. That's the problem. So that's what I got to work on. Got to get these custom cabinets done on this side here so I can have things. One of the things I want to have is a big floor-to-ceiling cabinet over there to store all my clothes and everything else in it. So there's all the stuff in my kayak and everything else there. But there's a series of things I have to do before I can do that. That's the problem. Before I can build the cabinet, I've got to finish those windows. Before I can finish the windows, I need my wire pass-throughs. So I got to get those done first so I can get the windows done so I can start building the cabinet. And on and on and on it goes. Still trying to decide how I'm going to build the setup around the fridge now, because I still want to put a wall in the front of the van here eventually with a door on it. And the fridge kind of gets in the way of that plan, so we'll have to change things around a bit to accommodate the fridge where it is now. But I do like it up here, and it's definitely going to stay up there, so I definitely do not need the passenger seat in this van. So the extra storage space is going to be useful too, because storage space in this van is definitely at a premium, so it's a small van. it's good size in here, but it's still small. Small space to set up a home in, so that's what we're going to be working on. Anyway, so this video here is mainly just dinner. Dinner and rain. So because we're going to say goodnight here, and we're going to get ready to go off to bed because I'm yawning like crazy. So, thanks for watching. Remember, slow down and enjoy life. We'll talk to you guys later.